how to use Calm application on your iPhone device or iOS, how you can simply use it or how you can set up it to get a better sleep instead of getting worried all the night. So to set up your account on Calm application, you simply have to download it from the App Store and then click on the app here. As you can see on the desktop, it's saying you to take a deep breath. So yes, you can. And then click on allow. In this, you can just choose that what brings you to the calm. Will personalize recommendations based on your goals. You have to choose your goals that if you just want a better sleep, if you want to reduce your anxiety, if you want to reduce the stress, if you want to build self-esteem, this is how you can do it. Then click on the continue after selecting it all. Here, there are three options to create an account for you if you don't have it. If you already have one, you can click on the login option on the bottom of screen. Now, if you don't have an account here, click on continue with the Google account. If you have an Apple account, you can do it with that. I'm going to do it with my Gmail account here. Click on continue, and then it will directly log in me to the application. Now, we are set up now. You just have to subscribe to this application on like about $4 for a month, and you will get 7-day free trial also. So you can just try it using the try free option here and cancel anytime you want. In this, you will get unlimited free access for 7 days, 50,000 minutes of audio designed to relieve anxiety, soothing sleep stories narrated by familiar voices. So these all are the features you will get in this. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please subscribe to the channel.